Alright, this is my homemade John Deere motorized bicycle. This was the first bicycle I learned how to ride on. So to continue riding it, I had to extend the handlebars and put some nails in there to stop that from moving. So yeah, it's only got one brake, which is on the front, and that's the throttle, kill switch coming down, and the engine is a 98cc 2.5 horsepower Lifan engine, and it's got a centrifugal clutch down there on a 36 tooth sprocket, but it really needs a bigger sprocket on the back. It doesn't like to go up hills much or slight inclines. It's good on flat surfaces, but any slight inclines it struggles a lot. And from a stop going up a hill, it doesn't go up a hill. You just wear out the clutch, you're not going anywhere really. But yeah, 16-inch wheels. Back wheel's bigger than the other one because I screwed up the back one. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Look kind of stupid on it, but I don't care if it works or not. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, yeah. It's mounted on a piece of wood with zip ties. It's not very good. I wish I made that a little better, but whatever. Yeah. Homemade. Yeah. Cool.